Hi everyone, welcome back to another PMS tutorial. In today's video, we'll walk you through how to extend a guest stay in the PMS application quickly and easily. Let's jump right in. First, navigate to Front Office and click on Stay from the menu. Now choose the room number of the guest whose stay you want to extend. In this example, we're working with room number 303. Hit on it, you'll see the current checkout date is set to May 10th. Let's say we want to extend it by one day, that is, to May 11th. To do that, click on Extend Stay Present on top right side. Then select the new checkout date. We'll choose May 11th and click on Check Availability to make sure the room is still available. Once you get the green light, go ahead and click Update. And that's it. The guest stay has been successfully extended. If you ever need assistance or have questions about using PMS, feel free to reach out. We're here to help. Don't forget to check out our other tutorials. Links are in the description below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.